How to make a trade on MaskEX using spot trading. First, open MaskEX app. Then, click on Trade. Choose Spot, then select Cryptocurrency. Here, you can see two options: Market Trading and Limit Trading. If you click on Market, you can buy the coin at market price. If you click on Limit, you can buy it at any price you input. After that, type the amount of crypto you want to purchase. Click Buy, then Confirm. Now, you have successfully placed a trade order. Note: if the trade has not been completed yet, you can cancel your order at any time. MaskEX. Your wallet, your way.